What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. Bitcoin price prediction: cryptocurrency market will see 5,000% gains over next decade, claims expert. Bitcoin is set to celebrate its 10th birthday this week, with October 31st marking 10 years since the publication of the official white paper. So, 20 trillion market by 2028. Since Bitcoin's inception nearly a decade ago, more than 3,000 other cryptocurrencies have emerged. Of these, only a handful have managed to actually have any significant impact, and none have managed to reach the same heights as Bitcoin. But some analysts believe this is about to change. Nigel Green, founder and CEO of UK-based financial consultancy firm Davari Group, forecasts Bitcoin will soon face strong competition within a booming cryptocurrency industry. Bitcoin is what kickstarted the revolution, and it has changed the way the world handles money, makes transactions, does business, and manages assets, amongst other things, forever. It all began with Bitcoin, he said. However, I believe Bitcoin's influence and dominance of the cryptocurrency sector will drastically reduce in its second decade. This is because as mass adoption of cryptocurrency grows, more and more digital assets will be launched by organizations in both the private and public sector. This will increase competition for Bitcoin and dent its market share. By Mr. Green's estimates, today's $400 billion cryptocurrency market could reach the $20 trillion mark within the next decade. So this part is wrong right here. Today's market is about half of that, but still, maybe it's just a typo. Quote, there's an ongoing shift away from fiat money, and the momentum of this is only to set increase over the next 10 years, he said. The pace of mass adoption will speed up, and cryptocurrency market cap can reasonably be assumed to reach at least 5,000% above its current valuation over the next decade. As such, the market will have grown beyond recognition when Bitcoin celebrates its 20th anniversary. Bitcoin is notoriously volatile, having seen a 2,000% price increase in 2017, followed by a 65% decrease so far in 2018. Since early September, however, Bitcoin has traded consistently at around 6,500, only ever fluctuating by a few $100s. This trend has been helped by lack of destabilizing news in the cryptocurrency space, together with broader consensus on how to address some of the technological challenges facing Bitcoin. Should such a trend continue, cryptocurrency expert Igwab, I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name, who works for the online trading platform eToro, believes the price of Bitcoin will see steady gains over the coming years. Bitcoin has shown great resilience over the past decade. It managed to ride the wave of volatility and has started to address questions regarding scalability. He told The Independent, its price, although volatile at times, will fall in line with other assets as its utility value increases and speculation reduces. The next decade would see Bitcoin being accepted as the norm when it comes to money transfers and payments. As with any startup idea, early days are always risky, but I feel these are now few and far in between. So I want to hear your guys' thoughts on this. Comment down below. Do you think we're going to hit that 5,000% gain by 2028, next 10 years? I think it's very possible. A lot could happen over a 10-year period, and I think we might even see a 10,000% gain, to be completely honest. We just have to see how much mass adoption takes place in that time period. So always keep your eye on adoption of cryptocurrencies and how many people are using them. Next up, we have another hacking. Newsflash, Canadian Bitcoin exchange hacked, says all funds are gone. A small Bitcoin exchange based in Alberta, Canada, has gone offline. Before their Twitter page went offline, Maple Change had announced on Twitter that they, quote, had no more funds to pay back anyone. In the way of an explanation, the exchange had approximately 1 hour before deleting its Twitter page, said that a bug had enabled some people to withdraw all of the funds on the exchange. Educated readers may recall a time when Mt. Gox claimed similar problems. The handling of the two cases by their administrators was dramatically different, though. In the case of Mt. Gox, attempts were made to repair the damage. Although they resulted in worse damage, they went so far as to near nakedly manipulate the price of Bitcoin in an attempt to recoup lost customers' funds before anyone found out. The Maple Change Twitter account has less than 2,000 followers, so it's a very small exchange. By contrast, Coinbase has over 1 million. The exact quote is, "Due to a bug, some people have managed to withdraw all the funds from our exchange. We are in the process of a thorough investigation of this. We are extremely sorry that it has come to end like this. Until the investigation is over, we cannot refund anything." Now, what people are saying is that it is kind of fishy the way they went about it, how they said some people. It's not very professional. Just some people. It sounds very unprofessional. And I kind of agree that it is a little bit fishy. It's a very small exchange, and hackings are more popular with smaller exchanges like this because they have less, money, less cash flow, and therefore less security. And I don't know, was it a hack? Possibly. Was it an exit scam? That's what people are asking, and it very well could have been. I mean, it's just weird the way they went about it, and how they didn't even, how they already pre-assumed or presumed that they're not going to get the funds back. It's kind of just weird the way they went about it, but I'm going to keep my eye on the story, keep it covered, and hopefully the users of that exchange get some of their money back. Next up, a former equity trader has plunged headfirst into cryptocurrency exchanges. Andrew Wong left a high-flying job at an investment bank to become, at 27, the youngest managing partner at a digital currency platform. His career in finance began as a private wealth intern at the Dutch bank. He later joined JP Morgan's Sydney office on a graduate program, which saw him rotate through various departments. 3 years later, he transferred to Hong Kong to work as an equity trader focused on sales. He traded in linear products across the Asian markets and helped deliver asset strategies and carry out regional execution for more than 2,000 clients. It was during this time that he learned about the mysterious world of cryptocurrencies and blockchains. Blockchain, as we all know, is a digital database of information, including but not limited to financial transactions, that can be used and shared across a large, decentralized, publicly accessible network. As a trader, he knew he had to trust his gut instinct. Looking at the cryptocurrency bear market, Wong has recognized a great opportunity within a new emerging asset class and plunged in headfirst, as he feels this is the right time. So this is what I've always been saying, that the smart people are starting to get into cryptocurrency now because we are in a bear market. It's cheaper to do everything in a bear market. It's not just cheaper to buy. It's not just that. It's also cheaper to advertise because there's less competition. Cheaper to advertise, cheaper to buy, cheaper to develop, cheaper to hire people. Salaries probably are not going as high as they were during the bull market. Bear markets are where you make the money. It's true. It really is true. Bear markets are where you make your money because it's all about what you put in then, and then in the bull market, that's when it pays off. So good on this equities trader. Really awesome news there. Obviously, he sees into the future, and he is acting now. Next up, we have the market today, a mini flash crash. We have dropped about $7 billion US. We are, currently at the $202 billion market cap level. Bitcoin dominance is actually up at 54.2%. You could see most of the coins are down about 5% or less. Bitcoin hit the least, still at 6,300. I'm hoping we could hold at the $200 billion market cap level. But who knows with this bear market and how bad it has been. It's really a matter of time before something gives and we either have a huge upswing or another huge downswing. As you recall in my previous video, I was saying that it's been going sideways for so long, a big movement is coming, and I think today was that big movement. Wasn't on the upside, but wasn't huge movement. Still, I want to know your thoughts on the current market. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you hodling? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, be sure to check out the link in the description if you want $25 worth of free Bitcoin. All you gotta do is sign up. Check out the link, and I'll catch you guys next time. Have a great day.